Well, it's January the 29th, 2022, and this is an update for the construction on Jackson Road of the Redland Middle School. As you can see, I'm kind of off to the side there where they're doing the road work, the grade work for the turn lanes and the extra lanes that'll be there for the school traffic. Boy, it was really cold out there this morning filming this. I think it was only like 37 degrees. And we'll be coming around to the front of the school. And you can see the Jackson Road is off to the upper right, near the construction trailers over there. They've done a lot of cosmetic work that you have to be real down on the ground to see. Like there's the brickwork that they're starting on that corner of the school, as well as some other areas. They have most of the shingles on. Now we're coming around. This is the Jackson Road side. Little higher elevation and overall view of the campus. And that's Jackson Road at the top of the picture. And we're coming around to the front of the school. It's going to be quite a campus. Great addition to the Redland community. If you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button as well. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.